All right, how's it going? So I'm gonna show you a very basic way that you can make an explosion book. What you're gonna need is either 1 or 2 pieces of copy paper, depending on how simple you wanna go. You're also gonna need a glue stick. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold our first piece of paper. Like I said, you can make a folding book with just 1 piece of paper, but if you want to move on and do 2, amazing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this book in half like so. So go ahead and take your first piece of paper. We're just gonna ignore the second one. Fold it like a book and give your teacher a thumbs up. All right, so now we have these 2 bottom corners. You can see them, you can even point to them if that helps you. And you're going to match them with the 2 top corners. Go ahead and make sure they go and they kiss and mwah. Go ahead and give it a really great fold. A really great fold is when you press really good on that line. To tell your teacher you're ready, go ahead and open it up and give them a thumbs up. All right, you see a plus sign, right? Right now, I see a valley. I see that it's very down, like kind of like a skateboard rink. Up and down, up and down, up and down. We want it to be a tent, a triangle, a hill. Go ahead and make a tent and give us a thumbs up. All right, I'm gonna scoot this tent over to where I see a diamond. And I'm gonna take that top pointy corner and I'm gonna point it towards me. All the way down until I get to that bottom corner and fold. So I'm gonna do that one more time. I took that top corner, took it all the way down and mwah, and gave it the greatest fold. You wanna make sure that that corner matches up perfect. Give us a thumbs up once you've given it a really good fold. All right, now you get to open it up, and this is the tricky part. You're gonna keep your thumbs on top of the paper, but keep the rest of your fingers on the bottom of the paper. You're gonna gently press your fingers up while pressing your thumbs down. So my fingers are on that line, my thumb is above the line. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna hear a slight little pop. Listen carefully, you might hear it. Did you hear it? And what's gonna happen is that line is gonna go the other direction and it's going to let you explode the book down, implode it. So this could be your exploding book. Fold, open, close, open. But if you wanna add another one, you can. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. Let's go ahead and make our second half of the book. Let's go ahead and fold our second piece of paper in half and give our teacher a thumbs up. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and fold up, corners to corners, and mwah. Kisses, baby, kisses. And open that baby up. Thumbs up, please. All right, like we said, we have the skating rink, the skateboard's going side to side. We don't need that no mo. We want the mountain, we want the tent. Place the tent in the field, and then you're gonna take that top corner and bring that baby down. Once those corners touch, time to fold. Give it a good fold and give us a thumbs up. All right, here's always the trickiest part. Let's see if you can do it again. Fingers on the line, thumbs on top, press and boop. If you did it right, it should press into itself. Give us a thumbs up when you have 2 talkers. Talk, 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 talk. They are going to combine today. So today you are going to find the square on the edge of one, and it's going to meet on the square of the edge of another one. It doesn't matter which side, because look, match it up, fine. Match it up over here, fine. So go ahead, choose a square on each side. I choose this square, okay, and this square. I'm just going to take glue on one of those squares, not both. Are you gonna put glue on both? No. Okay, see, it's still working. And I'm gonna take this one, but upside down. That talker's going upside down. Ah! And that other one is gonna get hooked all the way in. And then they get smashed together. And this is how they dry. Give it a nice massage. Ooh la la, my paper likey. And now you have an exploding book. You may need to let it dry for a little bit longer, but you can open it, you can close it. You have this side, you have the other side. Pretty interesting, right? I hope you enjoyed making an exploding book.